Hey everyone, and welcome to NoteDex. In this April 2026 update, we have quite a few new and important updates to the app, which we're excited to share with you. The first one, as you might notice if you look carefully, it's a bit of a visual refresh for the app. We've made it a little bit more modern and made it a little less clunky in certain areas, so we hope you enjoy the visual update. The next major feature we have on this version of NoteDex is on the bottom of the home screen, you'll see a slider from the bottom. If you click it, you'll now see recent stacks that you have been working on. So this is a great way to quickly go back to the work that you've been doing. So if you click on a particular icon, it just goes back to a recent stack. In addition to the visual refresh, we've done a lot of work on the back end, and we've made lots of performance improvements as well, squashing quite a few bugs and some minor tweaks in how the app is used, which I'm sure you'll notice as you start using it. But the fun feature I want to show you today is the new NoteDex AI feature. Yes, we've even jumped onto the AI bandwagon, as you can imagine, and it's been on our minds for a while, and we hope you like what we've done here. So in order to use the AI function, you can just click the icon at the top and it opens up a sidebar. And here, NoteDex can now create cards, stacks, and canvases based on what you say. So we can have a lot of fun with this. And let me show you some powerful examples. The first one might be that you want to outline a story. Maybe you're a writer. And what you can do is in the sidebar on the bottom, it says, what do you want to create? So I'll just say that please create a stack outlining the movie Top Gun, Maverick. I kind of like that movie. And we click the blue button, it thinks away, and then it will come up with I'll create the stack with note cards outlining the movie Top Gun, and it will give you the option as cards. You can also do it as a canvas if you want to, but we'll stick with cards. Then once we click on as cards, then it says which stack should I add these to, and I'll actually say new stack, but you can select an existing stack. And then finally, it asks you to do you want it to create a cover image? And we'll say absolutely. And when we do a cover image, we get a couple of options: photographic, artistic, minimalist, or futuristic. So let's do photographic. And now it's going to go ahead and create that stack. And if we open up the card, we'll see that we've got the first card of the introduction, summary, Top Gun Maverick. And we go through and we see all of the items that we have, including the plot overview, the themes, the key scenes, climactic moment, conclusion, critical reception. So, and if we go back to the page here, we'll see the outlines, and we go back one more page and scroll down and look at that. We've got a little cover image automatically created for the stack. So that's creating a stack. We can also close this out and you get back to the normal view. But let's open up again and show you some other things it can do. Maybe you're studying and you're a physics major and you're interested in how the universe is made. And this is a theory from Roger Penrose. So let's copy this link and tell NoteDex to create some flashcards because you want to study this. So let's say, please create some flashcards about this physics topic. And I'll paste in the link. And then we click on send. It's saying checking the web page. It can take a few minutes. It won't take a few minutes, it'll take a few seconds. And then when it's ready, it says great. what do you want to do? Create them cards, create this canvas. We're going to create 8 cards. It's giving you a preview of what it's going to do. And we say, yeah, that looks great. And then we'll do as cards again. Click on that. Which stack? Yes, I'll do a new stack again. And we'll say, yes, we want a cover image. And this time be futuristic. And then, as you can see here, it's going through. It's going to create the cards. And voila, it's now summarized that topic. And it's saying in these flashcards, what is conformal cyclic cosmology? And let's flip to the back. It says it's a cosmological model proposing the universe goes through infinite cycles. Amazing. And we can go through, and it's now created all of these flashcards for you automatically. The final example is also that we can ask it to summarize a YouTube video. So as much as a web page, and I should also say, in addition to attaching a file, if you want to attach a file, you can do that. Maybe you've got a Word document or a PDF. But let's say we'll take this example. This was a video about
For more than one
prime numbers might not be random after all. So let's copy this YouTube link and go back to NoteDex and say, this time I'll say create a canvas. I'm just looking at this. Create a canvas about this video. Okay. So as you know, we have canvases in NoteDex. And let me just go back to the home page here. Now I'll click on send, and it's going to fetch the transcript of the YouTube video. That means all the words of the video. It's going to summarize it for you. And then it's going to say, create a canvas with sticky notes. Yes, I want to create a canvas. This time I'll say, no, you don't need to create a new stack. Let's put it in to the stack which had the summary of the Riemann hypothesis video. Let's put it into that one. And it's done that. And let's go through. And here we now have the video that is summarized as a canvas. And it's summarized the complete YouTube video and put it into an existing stack. And as you can see here, we have the video summarized as mathematicians have tried to solve the hypothesis for 160 years, etc., etc. So this is the video, and as you remember from the canvas, you can be moving these around, and maybe you want to outline more to it. So that is a quick overview of the new AI function of NoteDex. You can create new stacks of cards. You can just create a single card if you want to update a card. You can create a canvas. You can upload existing files, even though I didn't show you that, but you can upload a file and summarize a file. And I've shown how you can also summarize web page links and videos. So we hope you enjoy using the new NoteDex, and let us know if you have any thoughts for how we can improve. Thank you.